So I asked Chat GPT how would society be different if men had periods, but unfortunately none of these are surprising. Number 1, menstruation would be a sign of strength. There might even be competitions or challenges tied to how well men handle periods. Number 2, public conversations and visibility. It would be openly discussed without stigma or embarrassment. Commercials for pads and tampons would likely feature macho imagery, emphasizing how products help men power through their day rather than focusing on discretion or silence. Number 3, this one's pretty obvious, workplace policies. There would be mandatory paid menstrual leave. Some jobs might offer special bonuses or perks for working through the pain. Number 5, sports and athletic culture. Athletes would openly discuss how they manage their periods, and it might even become a point of pride. Teams would track the performance cycles of players, maximizing training regimens based on energy levels during different moments in their cycle. Medical research and innovation. Research into menstrual health would have been prioritized historically. Instead of dismissing period pain or symptoms, extensive medical studies would be done to understand period sex would be normalized without the stigma that sometimes surrounds it. In such a society, menstruation would likely be reframed from a topic of embarrassment to one of empowerment, where men could embrace their physicality of periods without stigma. Now, it's important to note that AI is only as good as the data that it is trained on. But the fact that AI can pull these 10 examples really indicative of how we live in a patriarchal society. This doesn't mean that men are evil and we hate women, but our policies and how society treats women is heavily biased and skewed to one perspective.